Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, the place where true car enthusiasts gather to explore the latest innovations, reviews, and insights from the world of automobiles. Whether it's a performance beast, a city hatchback, or a luxury SUV, we bring you in-depth content that keeps you updated and excited about what's coming next on four wheels. Today, we turn the spotlight on a familiar favorite that has consistently delivered reliability, practicality, and value in a compact package. The 2026 Volkswagen Polo has arrived, and it's more refined, more tech-savvy, and more efficient than ever before. This new generation of the Polo brings a fresh take on the beloved hatchback while retaining the essential qualities that have made it one of Volkswagen's best sellers globally. The 2026 Volkswagen Polo gets a well-thought-out exterior redesign that gives it a more mature and premium look. It's clear that Volkswagen has drawn inspiration from its larger siblings like the Golf and ID models. The front fascia is sharper with slimmer LED matrix headlights that stretch into a new illuminated grille strip, creating a modern, confident face. The bumper has been redesigned with dynamic air inlets and subtle sculpting that improves aerodynamics. Along the sides, cleaner character lines and updated alloy wheel designs give the Polo a more athletic stance. At the rear, the LED tail lamps have been restyled and the VW badge is now more prominent at the center, hinting at the brand's fresh identity. Size-wise, the 2026 Polo maintains its compact dimensions, ideal for urban driving and tight parking spaces, but there's a slight increase in length and wheelbase which translates into improved interior space. The car sits on an updated version of the MQB-A0 platform, which allows better integration of advanced safety tech and enhanced rigidity for a more composed ride. The Polo has always balanced simplicity with quality, and this update takes that reputation to a new level. Under the hood, the 2026 Polo comes with a range of efficient and punchy engines. The base variant is powered by a 1.0-liter three-cylinder TSI petrol engine that produces around 95 horsepower, mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. For those who want a little more zest, a more powerful 1.5-liter TSI engine with 150 horsepower is available, delivering spirited acceleration while maintaining good fuel economy. Both engines are tuned for urban agility and highway cruising, making the Polo a versatile option for daily driving. Volkswagen is also rolling out a mild hybrid version of the Polo for 2026, incorporating a 48V electrical system that supports the petrol engine during acceleration, helps with start-stop functions, and improves overall fuel efficiency. While it's not a full hybrid, this setup reduces CO2 emissions and makes the Polo an even more attractive option for environmentally conscious buyers. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the uplift in interior quality and technology. The dashboard has been redesigned to feature a more horizontal layout with cleaner lines and a digital-first approach. The traditional analog dials are replaced by a fully digital cockpit that can be customized to show navigation, media, and driving data. At the center sits a new infotainment system with a floating touchscreen display ranging from 8 to 10 inches, depending on the variant. The interface is responsive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with voice controls and connected car tech through Volkswagen's WeConnect system. Materials used throughout the cabin feel more premium compared to previous generations. Soft touch plastics, stitched accents, and ambient lighting on higher trims add a level of sophistication not usually seen in this segment. The front seats are redesigned for better support and comfort, and even in the rear, passengers benefit from improved legroom and headroom thanks to the revised dimensions. In terms of practicality, the Polo continues to shine. The boot offers generous space for a car of its size, easily accommodating everyday luggage or groceries. Split folding rear seats provide extra flexibility, and numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin make it convenient for passengers. Whether it's a weekend getaway or daily commute, the Polo offers just the right amount of versatility. The 2026 Polo also steps up in safety and driver assistance. It now includes systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. Front and rear parking sensors, along with a rear-view camera, are offered as standard or optional depending on the trim level. For the first time, the Polo even features semi-autonomous driving capability on highways, helping reduce fatigue during long-distance journeys. Driving the 2026 Polo feels composed and confident. The ride quality has improved thanks to revised suspension tuning and better insulation. It absorbs bumps well and remains stable even at higher speeds. Steering is light and precise, making it easy to navigate through city traffic. On the open road, the Polo feels planted and smooth, giving the impression of a larger car in terms of refinement. Another aspect that makes the new Polo impressive is its value proposition. Volkswagen has managed to offer more features, better quality, and modern technology while maintaining competitive pricing. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a small family, or someone looking for an efficient second car, the Polo remains a smart choice. Its balance of style, substance, and practicality is what continues to make it a top contender in the compact hatchback segment. Customization options have also expanded with new color palettes, interior trim themes, and alloy designs. Volkswagen allows buyers to personalize their Polo with different styling packages that include sportier bumpers, blacked-out elements, or chrome finishes. With all these upgrades, the 2026 Polo stands as one of the most well-rounded hatchbacks available today. To sum it up, the 2026 Volkswagen Polo brings thoughtful updates that make it more appealing than ever before. It retains its core strengths of reliability, efficiency, and practicality while embracing modern design, technology, and eco-friendly innovation. It's still the perfect car for city life but now offers so much more for drivers who want a little extra style and performance in their everyday drives. Thanks for watching this review.